Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn a new way how you can make money online. And remember, this channel is not about giving you some money, this is about giving you knowledge. So whether you make money eventually in the end or not, it's on you, it's on your hard work, how much you can adopt the knowledge, how much you can grab, and then you can practically apply. That's on you, okay? So we are going to teach you, rather tell you the concept how you can use these platforms to make money online like this guy. And if you apply the strategies correctly, hopefully you will make the money in next few days. All right, so let's get into the details. Let's start this video. Before we do that, make sure you stick till the end, because these are step-by-step videos. If you miss some steps, you will not know what to do, okay? Or you will have to come back and watch the video again at a later stage. So let's start the video, and before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? Otherwise, what's the point of me making the video? So do subscribe and do comment and hit the like button. Now, we need the website here, which is crowdfireapp.com. Write down this website, which is crowdfireapp.com. This is what we are going to use in order to make money. Now, it says here, social media management simplified. Crowdfire helps you discover and schedule content and manage all your social accounts from one place. Now, don't panic. You don't need to be a social media expert here, okay? So you are not going to manage anybody's Facebook account or Instagram account. It is nothing, as you don't have to be an expert here, okay? So don't just panic. Let's do one thing. Let's do what everybody's doing. Let's do affiliate marketing, okay? So we are going to promote this website and then make sales in the back end, okay? So let's find what is their affiliate offer here. Now you have to scroll down all the way to the very bottom, and at the bottom you can see terms of use, help and support, affiliates, and referrals. So we got the affiliate option here. We'll come to this one later on. Let's see how much money can we make with this website. So we got a pricing option here, and then they have two options, annually and monthly. So these are like 4 plans they have for their clients, for their customers, and either they can charge them monthly, which will be some around $10 per month, $50 per month, or $100 per month, or in annually, this will be discounted, okay? Now here, do not worry about the amount, because we are not going to focus on the smaller amount like 748. We are going to focus on the maximum amount, and we are going to target high individual customers or high individual companies, and we are going to sell them this package. We'll talk about that. We'll show you in the later part of, in the later part of the video, okay? So here you don't have to worry about that you will be promoting this product only for $8. No, we will not choose this. Instead, we will be choosing this option. And if you promote this product or this particular option, it's like $75 per month, okay? $75 per month. It's not per year, it's per month, okay? Now let's calculate. So if you say 75 into 12, how much it's going to be? So we'll have to use a calculator. And 75 into, I think it's 900, okay? So 900 is the price which this customer will pay to Crowdfire app. Now we need to find out how much commission are we gonna get out of that, okay? So we have to go to affiliates here, and let's see. So it says you can earn up to 420. So that's the upper limit. That's the maximum they can give you for one sale, 420, no matter how big the customer is. But traditionally or technically, you will get 35% of every sale amount. So let's say if you go back to this amount here, 900, and if the customer buys that VIP package and he pays $75 per month, and that will be the annual package, which means Crowdfire will charge the customer $900 upfront for 1 year, and 30% of your $900 is going to be $315, which means you make $315 per sale from one customer per year. And all you need is 10 customers per month, maybe, so every single a month if you refer 10 customers, and if they buy the VIP annual package, so let's say 315 into 10, so you make $3,000 per month by closing 10 sales every month. Okay, that means you have to find 10 companies, 10 people to buy the VIP package from Crowdfire app, and that's how you make $3,000 by just sitting at home. And in the next part of the video, now we're going to tell you how you can find people to buy this product. Okay, because affiliate marketing works the same way. You promote somebody else's product, and if somebody buys it, you make money. But how do you find those people in order to make money, right? That's the biggest problem, because you need to bring traffic to your offers. So let's go into the details now. Before we go into the traffic part, let me tell you how you can join this program. So first of all, you have to, let's recap. So you are on the website homepage here. You click on affiliates and referrals. You will be back on this page, and you simply click on join now. Once you click on join now, I am already logged in, I think, so it will not give us any option to fill up any form. But once you click on join option, you will get the email section where you will need to put in your email address and then set up your password and things like that. So you do that, and once you're good to go, then this will be your dashboard. Once you're logged in into your affiliate program, this is the dashboard. Here you can see that I'm set up for 35% commission, and this is my affiliate link. Okay, this is what you need. This is your magical link which will make you money. All right, now I'm going to copy this link. This is a very lengthy link, so obviously affiliate links are longer than usual website links, so we need to make them beautiful, so we need to just make them short. Now what we're going to do is we're going to this website called bit.ly.com. So this is a URL shortener you must have used. If not, just go to bit.ly.com and scroll down and make sure you type in that link in the search box, copy and paste, and click on shorten and copy the link. So now we have that shorten link which looks very good now. And now what you need to do is you need to promote this link into emails. Okay, so what you're going to do is go into your email account. It can be Gmail, Hotmail, any email which you use, and then here we will compose an email which you will be sending to people, to clients, to promote this Crowdfire offer. Now how do we find these two things? What do you need to write in the email, and how do you find email addresses of those people? How would you contact them? Okay, so first thing, let's find the content, what you're going to type inside the email. So let's say here I have a default template. You can write your own story, your own content. You can take an idea from here. You don't have to copy the exact same words if you don't want to. So you can write it in your own words. So for example, hello there. Nowadays, marketing yourself on social media requires you to be active 24/7. I myself had to deal with a lot of posting, content creation, and so on. And you can go further on and on and on. So you describe the services in the email, that how you can save their time by outsourcing the social media services to somebody else. And then in the end, you can actually highlight this within the email. So let's say if I copy and paste this into the email section here, right? Now here what we're gonna do is, instead of this thing which says your affiliate link, you're going to just highlight this word, and then you will have to put in your affiliate link there. Okay, so you need to just go ahead and put in your link in there. If you want to understand how to put a link, here should be the option somewhere. There it is. So you put in that link which we copied earlier. Let's go back to bit.ly and copy this link, and we just go ahead and put in the link here. There you go. So this is how you make a text in your email clickable, and now when you send this email to somebody, as soon they click on this link, they will be taken to the Crowdfire homepage website, and here they can sign up for maybe a trial package, or maybe they can go for a VIP package, or maybe for a basic package. So whatever package they go with, you will get 35% commission of that package. So if they go for $37, you will get 35% of this one. If they go for VIP, you will get this one, and if they go for the minimum one, you will get 35% of this amount. Okay, now how do we choose high paying customers? That's the last thing we need to cover. Okay, because here right now you can see, you should replace this thing with your name as well here, right? Now how do you find the recipients. How do you find the email addresses of the people whom you're going to send this email? And also you should have a catchy subject line. Now let's cover the recipient part. So for that, you're going to find companies in Google. So let's say you just search for top social media marketing companies, and then let's say we have these kind of comparison articles. Let's open this one, goodfirms.co.com. So if you go to goodfirms.com here, you can see there are multiple companies listed, and we can open one of them. So if we go to, let's say, smartcities.com and open this website in a new page, and where do we go? So you go to their homepage actually, which is Smart Cities, and you delete all this here. We need to find the contact section of their website. There it is. Now you click on contact us. There is a form here, and there's an email address as well. Okay, so this is the email which you got. Now we can just copy this email from here and then put it in here, and you have to repeat this process with every other company you need to contact. All right, now on some website you will only have this form and they will not show up the email address. On some websites you will find the email addresses. Okay, so either you can go to this clutch.co. Whatever the website is. Here you will find a lot of comparison of the websites. You will have to contact the websites individually, find their email address. If you can't find the email address, then you'll have to fill up this contact form as you see here. Now once you fill up the contact form, they will get back to you. So you will receive a reply from them to your email address, to your inbox. And once you receive a reply from them, that means you get what is your email address, and then you revert on that email address with your affiliate link. Okay, so once you have received a reply from them, then you know what is their email address, and then you pitch. Then you tell them, okay, what services you're offering, put in your affiliate link in the email, and that is how you can contact these companies. And you can do this day over day night. Okay, there are like 34,000 firms, as you can see. So you can contact all these 34,000 companies if you want to. It's on you how much effort you want to put in to earn the money. Okay, because I can only tell you the concept. You have to do the hard work. Nobody else is going to do the hard work on your behalf. And remember, these are companies. These are big companies. These are not individuals like you and me. So they are real businesses, which means they have money to spend. They are there to spend the money, and because they don't have time. They have money, but they don't have time. So they will not hesitate to outsource the social media marketing to somebody for $900 per year. It's $900 per year is nothing for them. But if you refer 10 clients to Crowdfire, you can make $3,000 per month. Okay, so this is all about this video. Now if you want to earn money, start working on it, because now you have the ingredients, you have the raw material. Cooking, it's in your own hand. How better you cook, how delicious you cook the recipe. I can give you the recipe, I can give you the ingredients, but you have to grab those ingredients, you have to cook them yourself, which means you need to do the hard work. And once you do the hard work, maybe for a week, for two, so if you do this for a month, and even if you close one sale, that means you have done something very good. And all you need to do is put in more efforts, and one sale will bring two will bring four will bring 16 sales in 6 months or so. So master your expertise. There are millions of ways to make money on the internet, and we will be keep coming to you with videos like this: how to make money online, which website to go on, how to do affiliate marketing. So you will be getting videos like that from us. So eventually, in the end, again, thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and we will see you shortly in the next video.